Understanding Close-up of Footwork, a deep dive into language. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, close-up of footwork. This expression is often used in various contexts, and understanding it can enrich your English learning journey. Let's dive into what it means and where you can encounter it. Close-up refers to a type of shot in photography, film, or video that tightly focuses on a subject, capturing it in great detail. When we say close-up, we're talking about getting a very intimate or detailed view of something, so much so that everything else becomes blurred or is left out of the frame. Footwork, on the other hand, involves the way someone moves their feet, either in daily activities, dancing, sports, or martial arts. It's all about the movement and placement of the feet. When combined, close-up of footwork emphasizes a detailed examination or display of how someone's feet move or are positioned in a specific activity. It's about zooming in on the skills, techniques, or beauty of these movements. 1. Sports and physical activities. In sports like soccer, boxing, or dance, the technique of moving your feet is crucial. A close-up of footwork might be used to analyze a player's skill, teach a specific move, or simply admire the technique. 2. Films and video production. Directors might use a close-up of footwork to tell a story or convey emotions without words. This can be particularly effective in dance films or scenes where the movement is central to the narrative. 3. Educational content. Teachers and trainers might use video clips that focus on footwork to instruct students on the correct movements for sports, dance, or safety procedures. Understanding the phrase, close-up of footwork, can enhance your ability to appreciate nuances in sports, arts, and film. It helps you understand how directors, photographers, and coaches use visual techniques to focus attention, teach, or entertain. Knowing this phrase also enriches your vocabulary, allowing you to describe and discuss content more precisely and vividly. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and significance of close-up of footwork for you. Whether you're watching a sports replay, a dance performance, or a cinematic masterpiece, you now have a deeper understanding of what to look out for and appreciate. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.